Started scripting the interior out. All this I'm gonna do side by side. Script everything out. I also gotta fix this. I put it in and I'm trying to make sure that all this secure because I'm not taking none of this back out. I'm gonna try my best not to. I don't know what the hell to say about that there. I hate that hole being there, but oh well. I'll figure out something to put there eventually. If I can go ahead and get done scripting this thing out, and then I'm gonna start laying the Dynamat down. I gotta change these things here. Well, the scripting gotta be changed. Shit. There's a lot of shit I gotta do, man, but I'm gonna get started. So, I guess let's get it, man. Fuck it. All the seats out. I still gotta pull the trim off here. All the trim back here off. Gotta pull that off from right there. Got this side off already. Door panels, I'll worry about that last. I gotta clean all this out, put some stuff up. Fun time, fun time. All right, let's go back in. We're finna go ahead and lay the Dynamat down. Then the new carpet, etc., etc., etc. Y'all see how this going. We got some of that out. To lay down a little roll of Dynamat, not much in here, just laid down a roll. And basically that helped with a lot of stuff I'm gonna get done, laying the rest of it down. Go ahead and run my amp wire and everything while I got everything out. Then I'm gonna go and put the carpet in, so I'm gonna get to that. Currently laying the carpet in now. Carpet definitely look much better than the old one. Just gotta play around with it and get the lay right. Get some of the wrinkles out. I won't tell you like this. This is about the third car to put carpet in, and I have not ever been able just to get all the wrinkles out. So if there's anyone out there that know how to do it, just let me know. Because I mean, I just lay it down and pray that one day the wrinkles come out. But definitely looking much better already. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on this, and I'll get back with y'all in just a second, man. Got the front seats in. Got the carpet in. Still gotta paint all the trim. And put the headliner in. It's a lot of work. But it's coming along. And the door panels. It's a lot of work, but it's coming along. We're gonna get there eventually. Alright. Carpet in, seats in. I still gotta do the headliner. I still gotta put the door panels on. Still gotta get the dash done. And I gotta get this bottom piece painted. Didn't know if I can paint it or not, but one of my buddies said I could, so I'm gonna get that done. I mean, she coming along, so I don't know, man. I've been thinking myself. I thought about selling this motherfucker. I had to put so much time and effort in it. I actually got this paint here from Harbor Freight. Well, I mean, not Harbor Freight, sorry, Hobby Lobby. This paint came from Hobby Lobby. And it actually came out pretty good in the car. Came out pretty good. I mean, I can't lie. I actually like it. But like I said, I gotta change door panel. Still gotta put the little, I forgot what they call it. I think they call it a window repair kit thing. It's like a little script. I gotta pull all that back off again and put the script back in. I mean, I'm just waiting to put all this stuff really on until I get this little piece that go back here. I had to change the little inside piece here. I forgot what that called. Now I gotta get my weather scripting and stuff. I mean, that fuel pump is loud. But she fired straight up, no problem. I got everything working on the gas. I mean, on the days now. Hold up. I changed the alternator. I got a high output alternator on here. Kind of sound like I got a little miniature turbo. As you can see, listen. Sound like a little miniature turbo. But yeah, I mean, she coming along just fine. I even put a little radio in here. I ain't got no speakers in there but the dash. Got a little radio in here now, so hey, I mean, everything just about in here ready to go. But like I say, I may or may not keep it. So don't be surprised if I end up selling this thing, man, because I put a lot of time and hard work in it. But at this point, man, I'm like, I'm not spending it. So like I say, y'all like and subscribe. Stay tuned. More is on the way, man. More is on the way.
Fuck clout, do it for the cash.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, hey, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. Fuck clout, do it for the cash. If it don't make money, then it don't make sense. Fuck being famous, bitch, I'd rather get rich. Real talk, I'd rather hit $1 million lick. Ayy, I'm tryna get it for my kids. Told her pop that pussy for the money, not the clout. Ayy, I'm tryna see what you about. She's a